Suitcases. That's what we're talking about this week in Ingrid's Insights. Hi everyone, it's Ingrid here for the Declutter Hub, and this week we're talking about suitcases. Now, you might think to yourself, why on earth are we talking about suitcases while we're amidst a global pandemic and we can't go traveling at all? Well, it's because suitcases take up an enormous amount of space in people's houses. They live in your basements, in your garages, in your loft, on top of cupboards, and they take up a tremendous amount of space. So now is the time to have a look at these suitcases and give them a bit of an inspection. Are the wheels working properly? Do they roll properly, or do they get stuck all the time? Can you close the zips? Does the lock still work? The handle you pull out and pull in when you walk around with your suitcase, is that still working properly? Because if not, a suitcase can become very, very annoying, and traveling is stressful enough as it is. Now, if you are with a large family in your home, you probably have loads of suitcases. So you want to kind of decide which ones are the ones we use all the time and which ones do we kind of keep hanging about, but nobody ever uses them. Do you maybe still have suitcases without wheels that you have to carry on your arm? I mean, those really are from a previous time and are not being used anymore. Or do you find when you're having a look at your suitcases, you think, we have so many different ones, small one, medium, large ones, extra large one, hard case, soft case. And while you're going away, you always end up grabbing the same one or two suitcases. It is time to have a look at them and make some decisions. And if you find suitcases you no longer want to use at all, donate them to somebody else. If you've got one that's in really nice condition and you're not ready to let it go, then maybe keep it in your basement, garage or loft, and then put some other items in it that you want to store. Or maybe you find that you've got lots of suitcases, then you can actually fit into each other so they all take less space. Because if you've got them all spread out, half of your room can be covered with suitcases. Well, you can maybe fit them in each other and make it a bit more compact. So thanks so much for watching. This is Ingrid from the Declutter Hub, and we'll see you next time.